How to save and manage projects in Wix Studio. So we have in here this website. What you can do in order to save it is to just click on this publish option right here. And then once you have published it, it can actually ask you for a free studio domain. So just head over and click on save and continue. Now, once it's been done, this will be published to that account. Now, take note that when you have published something, it's now automatically been saved. And as you can see, autosave is also turned on. Now, if you want to manage some other sites that you have, what you can do is you can head over and then go to the all sites of to your Wix Studio. So you can click on your studio icon, go to the site. In here, you can see there's options right here. Or you can also click on this go to sites option in order to see all of the projects or websites that you have available. Now you can manage them all together right here. Now from in there, you can just head over and then see which websites you want to delete or manage or whatsoever. So that's how you save and manage projects in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.